Hi there, students. Scruffy, an adjective. Scruffily, the adverb. Scruffiness, a noun. Okay, scruffy means untidy in appearance. He's always scruffy when he comes to work. So his hair's not brushed. His clothes are not ironed, his shoes are dirty, unkempt. His scruffy appearance makes it difficult for people to take him seriously. A scruffy little dog was chasing my chickens. It was probably covered in mud and didn't look very clean. Okay, various dictionaries give shabby as a synonym of scruffy. But to me, there's a difference. They're close in meaning. But scruffy is untidy, whereas shabby is worn out, a bit broken due to lack of care, substandard. So, if I say, this essay you've given me is scruffy, the paper has got coffee stains on it, or maybe ink blots or dirty marks. Whereas if I say this essay is shabby, I'm saying the content is substandard. Scruffy clothes, they're unwashed, they're not ironed, they're not neat and tidy. Shabby clothes, they're worn out, they're old and broken, they're bad quality. A shabby car, it's 30 years old, it's got various dents and marks on the paint. But a scruffy car, it might even be a new car, but it's covered in mud. Inside it's full of sweet wrappers, and clearly somebody has vomited on the back seat. But if you clean it, then it will stop being scruffy. So he looks scruffy, dirty and untidy. The house is scruffy, it's messy, it's not clean, there are things everywhere. If things are kept in a scruffy condition for a very long period of time, they start to become shabby, worn out. Okay, yeah, I'm sometimes a bit scruffy when I make my videos, but it's part of my character, unfortunately. So, scruffy, messy, with a bad appearance, looks bad. Whereas shabby it really means it is bad, it's old, it's worn out, it's tired, it's broken. So what about formality for scruffy? I think I'd probably give it a 4.5 in formality. It's slightly informal. Great word for an informal conversation. I think you could use it for a semi-formal writing. I think for something very formal, maybe unkempt. I think unkempt's a good formal word. And then the origin. I like the origin. Well, scruffy comes from scurfy. And scurf is these little white bits of dry skin that you get in your hair, and you can have them all over your shoulders, little white dots of dried skin. Dandruff. Scurf is dandruff. So scruffy, dandruffy if you like. Okay, so scruffy, untidy in appearance, unkempt, not brushed and neat and tidy, but in the raw. So anyway, scruffy. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Scruffy.